In today's video, I'm going to teach you top 5 ChatGPT search tips. Boost your productivity. If you want better answers from ChatGPT, the good news is that small changes in how you ask can make a big difference. The goal is not just to search faster, but to get more useful, relevant, and practical results with less back and forth. Let's go through 5 simple ways to do that. First, use specific search questions. ChatGPT performs best when your prompt is clear, detailed, and focused. Instead of asking something broad, give it the exact topic you want, along with your goal or context. Vague prompts often lead to generic answers, while specific prompts produce more accurate and helpful results. For example, rather than asking about marketing in general, you could say, summarize the latest trends in email marketing for small businesses. That gives the AI a clear direction and helps it respond in a way that is more aligned with what you actually need. Next, ask for summaries and key takeaways. This is especially useful when you're dealing with long articles, reports, or complex topics. Instead of reading everything in full right away, ask ChatGPT to condense the information into a shorter format. You can request a summary or ask for the most important points. For instance, you might say, summarize this report into 5 key takeaways. This can save a lot of time during research and help you quickly understand the main ideas before diving deeper. Another great tip is to use follow-up questions. One of the biggest advantages of ChatGPT is that it works as a conversation, so you don't need to start over every time. If the first answer is useful but not complete, keep going. Ask for examples, comparisons, or more detail. You could say, can you explain that with a real-world example? This helps you refine the response and explore the topic more efficiently without repeating yourself. You should also search for actionable insights. Instead of stopping at general information, ask for practical advice you can actually use. Request steps, checklists, frameworks, or strategies that help turn knowledge into action. For example, you could ask, give me a step-by-step plan to improve my website's SEO. This approach is great for productivity because it moves you from learning to doing. Finally, compare options and solutions. ChatGPT can help you evaluate different tools, methods, or strategies side by side. This is a smart way to save time and make decisions faster. You can ask it to explain the pros, cons, and best use cases for each option. A good example would be compare email marketing, social media marketing, and SEO for a new online business. With these 5 tips, you can get stronger answers, reduce wasted time, and make ChatGPT much more useful in your daily workflow.